What's going on YouTube? It's Jackie or Miss JDH, whatever you want to call me. I'm going to be showing you today my no pantry solution. My house, it was built in the 70s. I don't know if they didn't do pantries in the 70s, but I don't have one. So I had to make do and I had to figure out how to create more storage with no storage. So I'm going to show you what I did. Most of what I got is from IKEA. It's been here for a while. I'm also going to be cleaning it and reorganizing it because it's a little out of sorts, like some pantries can get, right? So I'm going to be showing you all of that today. So the first thing I want to show you is what I have here. So this is this, and this. These are all shelves. The shelves I did get from IKEA, and below this shelf is a IKEA Hemnes. I think I'm saying it right, Hemnes shoe cabinet. And I'm using that as a part of my pantry storage as well. There is a shelf on top of the cabinet, so this isn't the top of the cabinet. I just needed to make the top wider so that I can put my coffee maker on it. So I'm going to be showing you all of that. Okay, guys, I just want to show you that there's 4 cabinets. And I store different things in each cabinet.